I didn't realize how long that part was, and I'm a little bit out of breath. I apologize. Manila, I do want to say, we are so grateful to have started here. Come on. This energy is top tier in the world, man. Manila, make some noise! Okay, so Manila, to be honest, I wanted to be back in Manila a very long time ago. You know, music business, this, business, that, money, this, money, that. But I am so happy and I'm so excited that I'm here. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. Thank you, man. I have prepared a few things in Tagalog. I don't know if you guys are gonna like the first one. Hello, ako si eaJ. Tito. Okay. But okay, I did a bunch of interviews yesterday, and then at the interviews, people were saying, no eaJ, eaJ. So, do you guys have a, do you guys want to choose? I'm deciding, am I eaJ or am I eaJ? Kuya? Okay, restart. Hello Manila, ako si eaJ. It is such an honor to be here. And thank you so much for coming and... No, thank you for coming. Thank you. This, I say this often, and maybe if you guys are in some of my Twitch streams, I say this, but us musicians, us people who do music for a living, first of all, very lucky, but also, we do all the promotion, we do all the songwriting, we do all the fighting with everybody in the business in order to be here with you guys. So it is truly an honor to be in front of you guys. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. I don't want to talk too long, I know. I'm a yapper, I talk a lot. But we do have some fun songs for you guys today. Okay. Do you guys know a song that goes, I'm still mine? Okay. I'm gonna need a little bit of help for that, okay? Manila, you got me? Yeah! Okay, let's try it. 1, 2, 3, I'm still... Okay, I like that a lot. I have one other song that I released that I personally, truly love. And it goes, be right here, right where you left me. So, if I can ask maybe, when that hook starts, do you guys think you could help me with it? All right, I'm gonna try and let's do it, and then let's roll it in. Are you guys ready? I promise I'll stop yapping. It's music time. Let's go.